Yo, up doggo, Bluetooth True. Thank you for the 16 months. Second stream of the day, first time ever. Two stream one day. Is this even possible? Thank you for continuing your sub in design. Crazy. Unheard of. And yet that's the world that we live in. Unfortunately, the world that we live in is also a world where Mogul.tv is in a kind of cringe area. And let me tell you guys what's going on. About 2 weeks ago, maybe more, maybe less, Ludwig told me, or he suggested to me, that I should hire people to work on developing Mogul.tv so that I can focus on other things. Now, I did that. We got partially. We had one volunteer who didn't want to be paid, but Ludwig wanted to pay him. And they were a pretty talented developer, but it didn't work out. And now we're in a place where I was not working on the extension for the last 2 weeks because I thought that it was going to be finished by them. And therefore, I have to kind of now be 2 weeks behind on developing the extension, which is very unfortunate. I don't blame them too much, just a bit. That's fine. It's fine. We can do it. But that does mean that we have to now work on it now. So, Mogul TV. It's a thing. I put some new changes into it. It's not like I'm starting from nothing. I do have a bit of work. Well, so far, that's what I'm talking about. I don't know if you missed the last, 3 minutes. But that temporary placeholder was supposed to be done a while ago, but it was not finished because I was not the one developing it. And now I have to start over. Anyway. Look at this. Pretty cool, huh? Look at that. Little sexy loggers. I made this for debugging purposes. Wow, that is not supposed to look like that. What the fuck? Why does that look like that? I don't know. Wait, what? Why does that look like that? Oh, that's Tim's fucking profile picture. Fucking. Okay, I was. Yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense. What else? Some cool stuff right here. Look at this. Let me re-enable this. Similar logging features. Thank you for the tier 1, Lone Ginger. Why does it not work? Hello? Oh, it's because I need to do this. Yeah, there we go. This is a little cool thing as well for debugging purposes. You can see all this stuff. Anyway. So, yeah. We have to do a couple things. And I have laid out the things that we need to do. And how they should be done, mostly. Let's see. There we are. Got some stuff here. I also used my new whiteboard. Let me take another picture of it. Oh, I for sure played Tally Hell on stream. Alright, here we are. This is what I drew. The problem that I'm facing here, just that what I'm thinking about, is what parts of the extension need to do what. Because we got 4 parts. We got the code that's injected into the page here. Wait, I can do this, right? We got this. Oh, that's just bad. Okay. We got this, right? Injected into page. We got the code that's injected into chat. Then we got the page content script and the chat content script. So each of these have limitations, right? The stuff that's injected into the page can modify the page. It cannot modify the chat. It cannot access the backend or the background, which is what manages storage and API stuff. And it's less secure. The page content script can put the settings box here, but it can't do theater mode because it can't determine whether or not the current stream is Ludwig's stream. The code that's injected into chat can customize what chat looks like, but it also can't connect to the background, and it's also less secure. Thank you for the Prime sub, Alexander Hours. So, I don't know. I don't know which goes where, what goes when. Do we need this page content script versus the chat content script, or can they be the same thing? Does there need to be any code that runs in the chat content script? I don't know. Quaffglom, thank you for the Prime. Appreciate it. There does need to be code that runs on the page content script. And in order, well, this is what we do need to, there does need to be a chat content script, but it doesn't need to be more than a proxy between, you guys probably have no clue what I'm saying, right? This probably makes no sense at all. I'm just ranting to myself. Okay. I just had an idea. Okay. I just had an idea. This is the code. This is the code of the content script. And this code is actually shared between the page content script and the chat content script. It's injected into both. It's a different copy for both, but it's injected into both. And it's the same code here and here. And then I have the switch that detects whether or not it's inside chat. If it's inside chat, it does chat stuff. If it's inside the page, it does page stuff. This is how I need to change this. This needs to go here. Right? Now, this needs to be the same thing, basically. Except without that. With this. Well, this goes, I guess, here. And then this goes here. And then this, we remove theater. Import theater. Okay. Already making progress. So. How's the nap? Good. I read some book. What book did I read? I started Six of Crows, which I've heard is good, but I've never read. I only got to, like, the first chapter, though. Let's do theater mode. So, how do we determine whether theater mode should be enabled? Well, number one, the page must be in theater mode. The page must be in theater mode, which is the difference between this, which is not theater mode, and this, which is theater mode. I can detect that already. All I have to do is this. I believe. Let's just test this real quick. Sanity check. So this should be true. Now it should be false. Okay. So we know whether or not it's in theater mode. The other things we need to know are whether or not the user has enabled it in settings. Because in settings, there's a switch that says custom theater mode on or off. Right? So we need to somehow call settings and get that information. Now, how do we call settings? Well, that's a tricky one because we are currently, as you might have noted before, the page content, or this part, the injected into page, cannot call settings. Only the page content script can. Luckily, we can communicate between them. So let's do that. Let's implement that communication layer so that we can call settings. And that's done through the background service. I've already implemented some of this. Actually, this is actually very, very true. I've already implemented some of this. I implemented the part that can make these API requests from injected pages. Now I just need another thing that's like get settings. With something to do. And I have to implement this in both of these background scripts. This one runs on the content script. This one runs on the injected script, right? Red versus maroon. There's one on each. There's one that runs here. There's one that runs here, and they talk to each other, right? So basically, what I need to do is when the page when I want to know whether or not the user has theater mode enabled, I send a request to the one here, which is like, okay, get something from storage from me, and then this sends a request to the background, gets the storage, passes it back here, passes it back here. It's like a two-step jump. Let's implement that. It is safe because this is only injected into YouTube, first of all. Second of all, just because you can run an API command doesn't mean that you can compromise the user. I mean, if you can fetch storage, you can, because you can see their auth token. But it's trusted. It's safe. My background code God? Yeah, background code is basically God. Because it can do anything. Except it can't see this part. Basically. Background code can see it can talk to these. It cannot access this. But it is also God. Because it can do anything to the browser. Like it can make new windows in the browser. Okay, so let's do this. Get storage. Async. Oh, I think the page might be able to get storage. The content script. Wait, let me check that real quick. Can it get storage? Chrome dot. I don't think it can. Content script get storage. I actually don't know. I still don't know. Because here I can do chrome.storage.local.get. Right? And if I try running that same code here, it doesn't work. Wait, it does work. No leaks, no leaks. Okay, wait, it actually works. It actually works from here. So that means I can skip this double jump and it only has to be a single jump. Really liking the window manager? Yeah, it's awesome WM. It's pretty sick. It takes a bit of setup. And it uses Lua. It actually uses Lua. But it's looks pretty good. Feels pretty good. Can you still drag stuff around? You can do this. And you can do this. And you can do this. And you can go into floating mode. Which then you can do this. But I like tiled. I just wish this was available on Windows. Like, every time I use Windows, I'm like, why the fuck is it so bad? Now, I am using... I'm using the storage system here. So I could probably just import this, I guess? Like, if I do const storage buckets... No, I want to do this. Export const buckets equals auth is auth bucket as const. And then I can import the buckets. That means this should really not be in the background folder. It should be in the comment folder, I guess. Simply each moment, losing each breath as death minute and decimal. So I want to do then bucket is like key of buckets, or key of type of buckets. And then value is shit. Key of type of bucket. Shit. I've done this before, chat, and it's kind of annoying, but it's also kind of cool what you can do with TypeScript. Like, look at this. Look at this. Where is it? No, it's not here. Look at this. It's very weird, right? But what we can force this to do for us is this. What this does, basically, is allows me to type... where is it? Where are we? Here we are. Look, if I change this, it's fucked, right? Look, it automatically detects, based on this, what type this can be. It can either be gateway/set settings, gateway/users, or gateway/emotes. And then this is the exact same method, except /auth, right? And now this is only assignable to auth/me, right? It automatically detects based on this, not only what you can type in here, but also what the return type is. Look, this is JWT payload, and this is info map. It's super, super sick. This is not union types. No, this is not union types even. This is, it's fucking infer bullshit question mark types. This is what it is. This is what it is. Anyway, nice little tangent there. Took me a while to set up the first one, but it's actually kind of easy once you do that. Yeah, inferred string literal types. Or whatever. Okay, but back to where I was going. I want to do the same thing here. I want to have bucket. I could even do the same thing where I do like auth/ token. But it would be fine to just do bucket or auth.token actually. Why don't we? So we would do like storage path. Instead of /k/h, we would do k.h. And then here we have to do something like k extends key of type of buckets. Let me actually do buckets, and then type buckets equals type of buckets. We'll call this B, and then we'll call this V extends key of buckets B. And we do path is a storage path BV. And then we do storage value BV. And then we return const bucket value equals path.split dot, and then we do return browser dot storage dot, or no, we just do bucket dot dot get value value. Look at what you know to me. So now we have to define the storage value thing, which is very similar to what we have right here. Storage value bucket, and then I guess key. It shouldn't be bucket extends key of buckets. I should define buckets in the buckets file. You can make the phone. Key extends key of, oops, what did I just do? Here we go. Key of buckets, bucket key. All right, that should do it. It's not. Oh, promise. Okay, so now let's just test this out really quick. We should be able to do background dot get storage auth dot not quite. It's getting the wrong keys. Okay. So it's not key of buckets B. It's key of buckets B. I want to extract the type parameter. So type extract bucket equals bucket. No, but yeah, bucket T infer. No, infer T. T never. There's something here. Something about this infer T. It's something like... This is how they do it. T extends. Ah, I see. Extract bucket T. T extends bucket in infer B. B. Never. Does this work? Auth dot. No, not quite. I think it might have to be key of then. Extends key of auth dot. Oh, there we go. Look at that, chat. Look at that. Isn't that so cool? Isn't that so cool? TypeScript. Now I can do this and it'll automatically work with anything I add. Very cool. Very cool indeed. I love it. I do have to move this extract bucket thing into the bucket file. Otherwise it doesn't make sense. It's a storage file. Alrighty, so now I can get the storage value. Let me actually first, let's test if this actually worked. No, let's not. Let's do set storage real quick. It should just be the same thing. Literal same thing. Buckets dot set. And this is not inferring the type, but that's fine. As long as it works. How do we set? We do like Ooh, value has to be storage. We can actually use the same thing here. Value is just storage value BV. This should be key. This should be key. This should be K. And then we do key value. So now I should be able to do background dot set storage auth dot token test. That's wrong. Maybe this is never as well. Maybe my storage value thing is just broken. Yeah, that's never. So the storage value thing is broken. Never. So bucket extends key of buckets, which it does. Let's just try, oops. Let's just try this. T is now a string, so that part works. Key extends key of buckets bucket. What about this? Oh, this might be the same thing. I might need to put an extract bucket in there. Oh. Yeah, I think I need to do the extract bucket thing. Key of extract bucket, buckets bucket. And I need to use infer again. Or not. I could either use infer or just do extract bucket twice. So it only works if it's... I might just have to do this. Now this should be a string or undefined. Okay, perfect. Now v is a string or undefined, and if I do background.set storage auth.token test, it doesn't complain at all. Okay, perfect. So this should now be working, I think. Like it should be running this code. So if I do chrome.storage.local.get token test keys token. Okay, so it's doing some extra shit here, but it looks like it's working. And if I do something else here, test2, unicorn. Let's go, poggers. Okay. Okay, now what I need to do is I need a way for, if we go back here, this part can now get the storage. We need to now communicate that information to this part, let it request storage, and then it gets the value back. How do we do that? We need to define another get storage and set storage on the injected background, which is right here. Except this time, we instead need to like send in a request to a post message, like so. Call this type storage. Data would be path. We'll call this like storage.get. And then we'll call this storage.set, and we'll pass the path and the value. Then we need to make a little promise here. This should be extracted out. It should be like return this dot send to background, and then something needs to go there, and then we'll have async send to background, or no, send to content script, not to background. Send to content script. Being it may be proud of whatever we want to see. I'll just make this a string. All right, this should be nice and clean. We want to send a request, and the data should be path. Keep it coming back and coming back and coming back. This should be called fetch, not request. And this should be called storage.set. And it should be path and value. And this should be storage.get and just have path. Now we need to revise this a bit. We'll switch event.data.type. If it's a fetch, we want to run, well, we want to have a response if it's storage.get, we want to do a res equals await. This dot get storage event.data. Wait, this doesn't have a fetch method? It does have. Oh, it's just fucking broken. Oh, that's super funny. Can I do as never? Yeah. This is all just going to be typeless, but it doesn't really matter because this is not going to be accessible to me. What song is this? I actually don't know. I've never played it before. Weird bed and or yes please. Okay. So now this is run from the injected script. So we're going to do a little thing like this. Console.log, I am injected. And then background dot get storage auth.token. And does this work? Moment of truth. No, it failed. Let's try this real quick just to debug. Oh, the type is wrong. Why are you Poggies? Because I replaced everyone's name with Poggies to test. Wait, I don't understand, actually. I thought I knew why this was happening, but now I don't. So we sent 3 requests. Number 1 is a fetch for gateway/users. And then we got a response for that one, 0.855 right here. Fetch gateway/users. Huh. Maybe that I broke it entirely. Oh no, I'm just stupid and idiotic, that's why. Okay, let's see if this worked. Stores.get. We got a response. Did we get a response? Hello? No, I still didn't get a response. That's weird. I've never heard this song before in my life. Oh, there's a bug here. Path is just A. Why is path just A? I'm not stupid. Never mind. Wait, I am stupid. Ah. Fuck me. There we go. Brayman TV, thank you for the tier 1 sub. Anyone else had a prime? Let's make a little mini hype train right now. If anyone wants to prime sub to me. I have so few subscriber. I lost 40 subscribers today. Don't you feel sorry for me? Jetties, thank you for the prime. Appreciate it. This is a weird song. But it worked. We got the token. Oh, well, we kind of got the token. You gotta do this. What? That didn't change anything? Why? Why did that not change anything? Oh. There we go. We got the token. Test 2. Let's go. Oh, fuck yeah. Okay. Back to the image. What were we doing before we got into this huge thing? We're trying to figure out whether or not the user has theater mode enabled in the settings. In order to do that, we need to get the settings, which we now have a way to do because we can access our storage. So let's make a new storage bucket. Call it settings bucket. The song kind of bops. Never heard it before. But it's kind of cool. So it should be as simple as this, chat. And now I should just be able to do, instead of auth.token, storage.theater. Shit. Theater mode. Settings.theater mode. And there we go. Any typo will be automatically detected. And we're good. Now, it's going to be undefined. Okay. Yeah, let's fucking go. All right. Who here watched the Matrix movie? Anyone? I did. You heard it was bad? I liked it. I think it was, you know, it wasn't the best movie ever, but it was worth a watch, in my opinion. Although I tend to just like every movie. Ooh, you know what I should do? I should have a little thing here which is like a default value. So the default value for theater mode should be true. Oh, can't name something default, huh? All right, so we have 2 out of the 3 conditions to know whether or not theater mode should be enabled. Number 1, if the page is in theater mode. Number 2, if the user has enabled it in settings. And number 3, whether or not the stream belongs to Ludwig. And in the future, that will also be whether or not. Oh, why is this busted? Can I do something like this? Just fucking TypeScript wizardry. Yes, I sure fucking can. Look at this. This is now a Boolean if I take this out. Still a Boolean. Shit. But this fixes it. Shit. I thought this would work for sure. Understand mechanical hands over the Writing good overloads. Should always have 2 or more signatures over the implementation. Okay. It's like this. Fuck. All right, no overloads. Oh, let's see. I should just do like this. Oh, no. Storage value BK. Okay, now get rid of this. Okay. Okie dokie. So we got all that. We got now. Okay, back where we were. We need to know whether or not the stream belongs to Ludwig. More than that, we need to know what streamer the stream belongs to. How do we do that? Well, I think we do. Maybe something on this, along these lines. Firefox version should this version that I'm writing right now is compatible with Firefox. So as soon as this version is done, the Firefox and the Safari versions will be ready, right? I just have to finish writing this version. Now, how do I get this streamer? Or the video owner? Maybe it's under here. Play response. Response context. No. Play response. Video details. Author Ludwig, channel ID. Okay. YTD page manager. What exactly do we need from this? .data, .play response, .video details. .channel ID equals process.env .ludwig channel ID. What now? Wait, what? Thought I had a typing thing for this. There's a fucking way to do this. This is one of these things, chat. This is the thing about programming. The first time I want to learn, the first time I want to do something, I always have to Google it, right? And the next probably 5 to 10 to 20 times, depending on the thing, I also have to Google it. But eventually, you get to a point where you have it in your head. In this case, I want to add TypeScript support to the process.env object, and I do not remember it. I've Googled this probably 10 or so times. Eventually, I will remember that you need to use this chunk of code, but not today. Ricky Corona, thank you for the 11 months. Okay, this should be now done. User enabled theater mode is enabled in settings. Is Ludwig stream. We'll just set an interval to run this every 1 second. Electrifying much. False, undefined, true. What is undefined? Is enabled in settings is undefined? See how the serfs work the ground, and they give it all it's gone. False, true, true. So, we are not in theater mode. The user does have it enabled in settings, and it is a Ludwig stream. T. True, true, true. We are in theater mode. We're no longer in theater mode. So that the first one is 100% working. What about the second one? Shit. False, true, false. We are not in theater mode. We do have it enabled in settings, and this is not a Ludwig stream. Now it's true, true, false. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, it's working. 100%. 100% working. Except maybe settings doesn't work. Let's check that real quick. So if I set this to false, I did name it theater mode, right, chat? Not theater. Not just theater. What's wrong with this? Oh. False, true, true. Did I set it to true? No, I set it to false. Ah. Good catch. False, true, true. Huh. Still broken. Did I just fuck up how it works? Well, I guess let's try this. Set storage, settings dot theater mode, false. Okay, that worked. False, true. Now if I set this back to true real quick. Let's go. Oh, let's fucking go. What did I do wrong earlier? Did I name it storage? I named it fucking storage because I'm an idiot. Okay. Okay, now we just need to apply the mode. So I know that there are bugs in the old version. Like, I don't know. I guess it shouldn't do it if it's full screen. And if I go out of the page, now it says false. Now it says false. I don't know. I know there were bugs, though. Okay. What are songs playing from? I guess they're just playing from random choice of Spotify. All right. How are we doing? Wow, it's only been an hour. I'll get some water. Hit your corner? Yo. I'm not gifting subs. I also increased the leniency by a lot. All right. Theater mode. Let's go. All right. What do we want to do here? We need to add a property on the body when theater mode is valid. So every 250 milliseconds seems fair. Something a little like this. All right. Well, this now we need to inject the CSS. It should exist already. Uber, how do you like my little run thing? Is it cool? Wouldn't hooking to events be more performant, reactive, and better in general? Look, you tell me how to add an event on a query selector. I suppose you could do a mutation observer, but the performance gained is not. It's trivial. Yeah, this is D menu, I think. Yeah, it's D menu. I'll just call it Mogul Theater Mode again. Move this though. Leo, that's not how it works. There is no entering and exiting theater mode. Theater mode depends on whether or not the current state of the page is theater mode or not, right? Like, obviously there's an internal event handler for YouTube that when you press the T button, it switches in and out. But the amount of effort I would have to extend to find that event listener, hook that, find the route change event listener, hook that as well, is way too much. Train is giving away $1 million? Really? Oh, I'm not following him. I don't think I've ever watched this stream, actually. Type 21 in chat to enter. He's just giving away $1 million right now. Nice. I'll follow for that. RDB follower for 1 minute. Uh-oh. Oh, is he a fucking NFT person? The amount of money that he's gaining from these gift subs is not $1 million. I check my Bitcoin address. I don't fucking know my Bitcoin address. Oh, I know my Bitcoin address, apparently. Although, I think it's changed. Imagine I misspell it. Okay, chat. Tell me if I'm saying it right. 1 capital P lowercase d capital XNR lowercase PR 6 capital GDVN lowercase C 3 lowercase A capital FFCC lowercase IEO capital J lowercase Z capital F lowercase O capital W lowercase S 25 lowercase ARX. Did I say it right? I typed 21. I have to send 2 different messages. Okay. Tell me if I win, chat. It should be working, right? Maybe it's not enabled in settings. True, true, true. It has the Data Mogul Theater mode there. So the CSS... Oh, the CSS is just isn't injected. No, I don't have that much Bitcoin. I only have 0.038. That's from my freelance era when I was doing sketchy freelance projects. I wonder if this works. Okay. Wait, that... Okay, that actually just works. I could just import CSS like this. and it'll automatically inject into the page. So now, this works. I mean, if I do something like disable theater mode, it instantly goes out of it. Well, not instantly. Within 0.25 seconds. So this is good. I hope this fixes the bug. I think it should. Full screen is broken. Ow. My ankle. So I need to detect whether or not I'm in full screen. Ah, there's just a full screen thing. Man, chat's been slow today. Huh? Okay, I think this should fix all the bugs that existed around theater mode. If I'm wrong, sue me. For no money. Because I'm poor. Well, I'm actually not poor. Oh, I keep forgetting to invest my money. I just never know what to invest it in. Oh, I'm up lifetime. I'm up, how much am I up? I'm up 5% over the past, like, couple months. I don't know if that's good or not. I use Fidelity. I can't have a Roth IRA because I make too much money. Song is up here. There's a plugin for Awesome WM that shows your Spotify song. Okay, theater mode is done, chat. Theater mode works. Let's do emotes. Yeah, I'm in index funds and stuff. I like ETFs, I think, actually. I just don't invest enough. Because I don't have it set up where I can like automatically put money from my bank into Fidelity. I do have a decent amount of money though. Alright, I should split this up. I should make a whole folder that's for emotes, maybe? Or a whole module type thing for emotes. Or... No, I think one for chat is fine. This is my new syntax for injecting into a Polymer thing, by the way. Most of it is yoinked from the volunteer who was working on it. But I customized it. I made it type safe. This is the Poggies thing. This is all fully typed, by the way. I went through and I got all this info. Wait. All right. Step 1. Does this have emotes? Can I do gateway service dot? No, I don't actually have emotes on it yet. Just copy this basically. Const emotes equals await this dot background service dot fetch slash gateway slash. Wow, I wonder what one it is. Luckily, I have typing set up. Damn, I wonder what type emotes is. Oh, look, it's a list of emotes. Nice. So now if I look here, if you guys look here, once it, there we go. We got gateway/emotes. Although, why is it the same as gateway/users is the question. Why is it the same color? Not that it matters at all, but... Damn, it just happens to be... $360 away? That's annoying. What? Maybe I should limit it to fewer colors. That should be better. Oh, I dropped a carrot on the ground. That was ruined forever. Okay. That's fixed. Next. Gateway service dot get emotes. So I can do that now. But that's not really what I want to do. I want to add emotes to the message. I have that code already. I've written it already. So it should be easy enough to just yoink and scroink over. Anyone remember when I was doing that whole Inversify dependency injection shit? I decided against that because I realized that I could just do it manually. Like construct the objects and distribute them manually instead of having to set up all the decorators and shit. could I have ever let you down? How long is he gonna milk this, I wonder? Should have contacted me. I would have made him a better version. Actually, I could probably figure out a better version. Or I could probably like give him a thing to type in the console to extract all of these things. Unless it's virtualized. Shit, it could be virtualized. And then roll it manually. No, I don't want to start a new project. I just want to help him. All right, chat. I need you to type 1 so I can test this. You will win absolutely nothing. But I need a lot of people to type this. Everyone in chat, I need you to type 1. I know there are more of you. Come on. Come on. Type 1. Oh, this is like Angular or some shit. I wonder if he'll answer if I call him on Discord. Only 49? I need like 100 people to type 1 in chat. So it looks like it's rendering all of them. I can't tell. Like, if there's more than 100, maybe it starts cutting them off. But it looks like it probably doesn't. So if I do... documents.query selector all dot clients list tr dot map. Well, if I do this, that should give us all the rows, all 61 of the rows, it looks like. I want to actually do td nth of type 2 dot map t goes to t dot inner text. Okay, and there's our list of all users. So now we can just throw this into anything. I'm gonna just fucking call him on Discord. Okay, wait. How do we do this? He's got to be in one of the Among Us servers, right? Trainwreck. I wonder if I can just call him. Post a tweet. No shot. He sees that. Maybe he sees it. I'm going to call him. I'm going to press the call button. Okay, I need to be friends with him. Okay, so then there's no shot. Like, there's no shot he sees my friend request in time. You be a follower through 3 months to chat? Fuck you. Jeff, anyone of you is in there and can talk, say like call automated. I'm sending him a friend request. Yeah, there's no shot. Sorry guys. Only 2 people said it. Oh, fuck, I really want this to work. Three-minute cooldown. How would you pick one? Any. There's so many ways to pick something from a random list, right? He just needs the list, so he can use anything for it. I don't know what the other smaller people in the call are, chat. You know more than me. Okay. I don't know if there's a way to extract data. Fuck. Angular.element $0. Can I do this? Is this simple? dot scope. Call function. Oh, dot computed users. There's our array of users. Yeah. Yeah. I can do this. I can help him. I can solve his every need. Oh, he already reloaded. Damn. I need to be a 3-month follower then? I wonder if he closed the Nightbot page or not, is the thing. No, he didn't close it yet. He didn't close it yet. I can fix it. Fuck, I can fix it. Oh, this is pain. God damn. How do I contact him? Twitter. He follows me on Twitter, I bet. So many people follow me on Twitter. I'm super famous. There's no shot he doesn't follow me. DM. Train. Damn it. Does he not follow me? He's not following me? That's so stupid. Message Skash Roodle. Oh yeah, I could whisper a mod. No, not a mod. Okay. Skash Roodle. Skashroodle? Skashroudle. He's in the stream elements. Who's Skashroodle? Who is he? He's the head mod. Yo. Are you Trainwreck mod? I can fix the giveaway. I'm Ludwig's developer. I DM'd him on Discord. Not a lot of... Oh! He responded. I can extract... I can help him extract the data of the 25k people who entered, and then use a RNG to choose one. Oh, looks like he already solved it. Where did it pick him? I don't see it. Oh, they're still looking for it. the logs of the bot. I see. Well, we'll see if the mod DMs me back. Let me just finish writing this up. Here are the users. What do we need from this? We need the display name. I guess token entries. If I use 10 times luck, was that show for token entries? Uber gets 2. This guy gets 1. I don't know what that means, token entries. But it does have user type everyone. And who's a sub? QPixel's a sub, right? QPixel type subscriber, token entries 1. So there's no... I don't know. Yeah, these are carrots. Okay, the moderator is jamming me back. I'm gonna say I can also make a custom giveaway thing. I could also make an entirely custom giveaway thing in like 5 minutes if you need me to. Okay. All right. Well, we'll see if the mod says they need me. Well, I don't know if I should be making the thing. I don't even know if the mod is in his call. Probably isn't. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, anyway, so Lud can use it sometime later. I guess. Well, I'm typing 21. Yeah, I don't know. Chat, keep me updated if you need to, if you want to, if you feel so inclined. I need to be working on my thing. Oh, righty then. What am I doing? I don't know what I'm doing. I'm making the emote checker. There's two things that are throwing errors here. The first thing. Wait, what? Oh, I see. The first thing is, well, actually, I guess there's only one thing. We need to get access to the emote map. And what is the emote map? Well, yeah, I have a solution to Train's problem. I just need to, like, get in a call with him. All right. Here we are. I need access to the gateway service. Spare the sympathy. Everybody wants to be my enemy. So I can do const emote map equals. Okay, so it looks like I need to add these to a map instead of to a array. I should have this code written already. I'll make this another map string emote. I don't think I even need a list of all emote. Well, I might actually, but it doesn't really matter. So we'll do this.emotecache.clear, and then const emotes equals this. Oh, I need to generate the YouTube version of the emotes, which is YT emoji. You haven't watched Arcane yet, Uber? I'm banning you. You need to watch it. Do a watch party? I would get banned. So this is what a YT emoji looks like. And what I want to do is I want to emoji ID is emote.id. Image is thumbnails. Height is, I guess I don't need width and height. I just need URL is emote dot. Oh, I actually don't know. Can't ban both mods? Oh, I can ban both mods. I don't need mods in this chat. You guys are so well behaved. Man, I wish this was Rust. Match statements are so nice. Const emoji equals this. If emoji, we set it. Okay, we're missing some stuff. Is custom emoji true? Is locked false? Wait, I think this might be wrong. Oh, fucking Slack. Okay. This is locked thing is optional. We don't need it. What's the last thing we need? Shortcuts. I don't know to play with the misfit toys. All right, this should all work, I believe, now. And then I could do this, or I can do gateway service dot get emote. It should just be called get emote. Something like that. Looks good. Okay, here we go. Does this work? I mean, obviously not, because I didn't call it from anywhere. It's literally not running. But now, it still won't work. But this, or I can do emote service dot add Twitch emotes to message a dot item dot live chat message render dot message. And now it should potentially work. Okay, it doesn't work. I need an error handler. Also, I need to take a shit real quick. You guys can see if the moderator responds. No, wait. And then, boom. And we'll have this as well. response, I see. Well, that's fine. All right. What's poppin'? Emotes. Error handler. I just want to have a little error handler. Oh, wait. Get rid of this. I just want a little error handler for my polymer stuff. Like around this. We just do a bit of that. Just a little try catch. Because I think currently the errors are just invisible for some reason. Emote cache is undefined for some reason. I wonder what that is. I guess it's before emotes have loaded. Chat, a package just arrived for me. We're going to open it. I think I know what it is. Among Us plush? No. It's not an Among Us plush. Okay, I got it right here. Got my handy knife. You know, the computer knife. The one that's good for checking if your computer wires are plugged in. Oh, it's all snowy. Snow on it. Oh, yeah, that's what I thought it was. Alright, chat, for old time's sake, we're bringing back the camera. Okay, just to confirm, you guys can't see this, right? You can still only see the stream on the right. And then if I do this, and then copy, paste, add video capture device, webcam. Yeah, that's working. Oh, it's all tangled up. Okay. This is where I accidentally leaked my face, for sure. Because this time I don't even have my Enron hat. Hair reveal? True. That is my hair, most likely. If I had to guess between all of the people whose hair it could be, it would be me. Oh, it's upside down. It's probably not cat hair, no. Okay. How far is this reaching? It's like all tangled up in cords. This is as far as it goes. I could just take pictures of this on my phone and then show you guys. Oh shit, there's some cool stuff in here. Okay, here's the strap. Look, it's from Twitch. Okay. Unbox. Got some pins. Oh shit, it's reflective as fuck. PogChamp, a check mark, a little heart, and the Twitch logo. Looks like a little light up Twitch thing. A water bottle. Ooh, a very sexy water bottle. It's all holo bluish purple aurora borealis. Looks like socks. And there's a big box here. The fuck is this? Stinks. I don't know what this is. We'll check it out in a minute. I dropped my socks. And a blanket? This looks like a blanket, right? Okay, that's all this stuff. Now I open this weird package. It's like a... I can't tell. I have literally no clue what this is. It's like a plastic thing with a bunch of circles in it. Inside there's like a... I think it's another container. Okay, I think this is the wrapping. It's like a box of some sort. But it's not coming unwrapped. Oh, it's Connect 4? Ah, Twitch Connect 4. What I always dreamed of owning. Yeah, I guess so. I guess it is. What are the markers? They better be like Twitch themed. Like Pogs versus Kappas. It's Twitches versus check marks. Close enough. Old Twitches. Old check marks. Alright, very cool. I'm gonna plug in this little light up Twitch thing now. See if it works. How does it work? Here's the plug. On the top, micro USB, SMH. Okay, plug that in. Now, get a USB port. Okay, this is like really low quality. The plug. Is it on? It's like super dim. The plug doesn't go all the way in. What was this thing supposed to do? Like, there's a little red light on there, right? I don't know what it's supposed to do. Maybe it's like charging. I'll just leave it plugged in. Alright, that was a fun sidetrack adventure. Wireless charger, you think? Let me test that. I have earbuds that would work with it. Oh, yeah, maybe. I actually can't tell if it's charging or not. No, it doesn't look like it's charging. Well, whatever. Still pretty cool. Nice Christmas present. Anyway, what were... Oh, yeah, the issue we were running into was that it was trying to load the emotes before there was an emote cache. So I guess we solved that by doing just a question mark there. So those should be kappas, right? A little PogChamp. I mean, here's the message. Message. So there's two PogChamps. I think one of them is like the one that I sent, and the other one is the one that it received from the server. So it's like a local and then a remote copy. Yeah, the ID is different. Yeah, client message ID actually. But it didn't replace the PogChamp. And why would that be? Well, let's find out. Huh. Oh, I didn't save, maybe? PogChamp undefined. So I got the word, but didn't get the emote? So maybe it's not loading the emote cache properly. Well, where the fuck is it? Like, it's fetching the emotes, right? It's calling gateway / emotes, so it has to be fetching. Well, I'm lost. Okay, here we are. Oh, it's not defined yet, so it's throwing an error when it tries to clear it because it doesn't exist. So now, still nothing. I don't know why it's not printing out any of the errors that come from this. It's really annoying. So this .emote map is a thing. Emotes is a list. Oh, body. I need to be looking at the body object. Well, no. That should fix it. That might be the last bug, chat. Nope. So we got a list here, we got an emote cache. I'm gonna step forward, check my Discord. No response from the moderator. Emoji? So it generated the emoji correctly. So it looks like it's working. It's generating the emote cache. This dot emote cache. Yeah, it's generating the cache. Extension context invalidated. Well, okay, so here it is. Here's the map. I have the emote cache right here. I can do temp1.get pog. Oh, of course there's no fucking PogChamp. There's no Twitch emotes. I'm stupid. That's so stupid of me. Oh. Well, emotes are working. Now I just have to do the tab menu completion. I think I'm going to include that in this update. We just need access to the emote manager. And let me do a quick little test, actually. What is this song? This is kind of a banger. This is like a royalty-free song. Okay, here's the emoji manager. I should be able to do like dot. How do I add an emoji? Create emoji. Is that like this? Whoa! Wait, that actually is how it works. So if I do like $0 dot append child temp2, what happens? I think it's... Oh, that's interesting. I've eaten so many carrots in the past hour. Bum 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 bum. Wow, what are you saving up for, Uber? Twitter follow? Okay, here's the create emoji function. The timeout thing doesn't actually work. Those are actually just leftover from when I was testing that for LUD, I believe. I don't have the code running in my chat. Okay, here's the beauty of this, chat. Oh, there's no beauty in the world at all. I can't overwrite this prototype easily because reasons that I don't want to say because I'm too lazy to think of them right now and explain to chat because it's not a polymer element. I only have pretty code for a polymer element. So I'm just going to copy and paste this, search for it, and then I set a debugger and breakpoint to see what I was trying to see. All right, let's see where this is called. It's not called, apparently. Fuck, I know it's called. I know you're called, you bastard. It's probably just before the document loads. No, auto numbers will not be in Firefox because someone reported it or something and it got taken down. I'm too lazy to put it back up. I'm opening my Twitch blanket. Oh, it's just one big blanket. But it's like a gradient. It's like the stream, not like this gradient. It's all fuzzy, like has wool on it. I don't care about that disciple of uses. I just want to... I just want a breakpoint here. I still just have to decipher what this means on my own. So this is like loading a list of emojis. It's getting all the unique emojis from this emojis plus A. If it's B, it's overwriting the existing emojis and also adding A. So I should just be able to load an emoji simply by doing pause champ. Big pause champ. Right moment. Big pause champ moment. Still pause champing. Not done yet. Still pause champing. This will take a bit. Okay, moment of truth. So easy. So easy to do. Okay, we do need to fix this, though. That's going to be actually pretty annoying. If I just type pause, champ, it doesn't work. You have to type the colon. Why does it put these colons on either side? Also, does it like show up in this list? Yeah, it does. But where is it showing up is the question. Okay, chat. Stop me if you see a pause, champ. Actually, no, you won't see it. We have to make our own category, basically. I'm still not membered to Ludwig Lamau. Get fucked. If I can't sub to him for free, I'm not subbing to him. I don't spend money on Twitch subs or YouTube subs. I just use my Twitch Prime instead, which you guys also can use right now, actually. If you just check if it's available, it'll give me free money and you don't have to spend a cent. San Robonaut, thank you for the Prime sub. I want a new notification sound for subs. One that's a little more subtle and like satisfying. Wait, actually, wow. Okay, so this actually auto completes it now. But it contains an invalid emoji. Yeah. So what's happening is it's trying to I've fooled YouTube into thinking that these are actual emojis on YouTube. But once it tries to send the message, it detects that they're invalid because the server, I assume, send message, payload, rich message. So it actually put this emoji ID into here. Interesting. And then the preview error message, it sent me an error message that says error. Oops, that comment. Yeah, so it generated this error for me, sent me a little text thingy. So what I need to do is instead, just send a text segment that looks like this. So basically replace. Yeah, I can do this. I can do this for sure. Although I'm gonna leave chat, I think, because I have to eat dinner with my family. Then maybe I'll play Outer Wilds with my mom. Thanks for watching, everyone. Let's do a little raid of somebody. Like 5 up. How many pieces are in his name? 3.